Welcome to Layla's Science Hub. Today, we're breaking down carbohydrates. We'll explore the structures of glucose and ribose, how sugars link together, and why starch, glycogen, and cellulose are so important. Let's dive in. Carbohydrates serve many key functions in biology. They act as a source of energy, a store of energy, structural units, and they are building blocks for larger molecules. Make sure to know these common sugar equations, as they can help with exam questions. Now let's start with the basics. Monosaccharides are the simplest carbohydrates, soluble in polar solvents like water, but insoluble in non-polar solvents. They have a carbon backbone with a carbonyl group, making them highly reactive. Disaccharides are formed when two monosaccharides join via a condensation reaction, creating a glycosidic bond. Here are 4 carbohydrates you need to know about. First up, alpha glucose. Its chemical formula is C6H12O6, making it a hexose sugar. It's a key energy source and forms polysaccharides like starch and glycogen, which act as energy stores in plants and animals. Next, beta-glucose. It has the same formula and is also a hexose sugar, but the arrangement of atoms is slightly different, as we will look at on the next slide. This tiny difference is crucial because beta-glucose makes up cellulose, giving plant cell walls strength and support. Now let's look at ribose, a pentose sugar with the formula C5H10O5. Ribose is a big deal because it's found in RNA, ATP, and NAD. It's everywhere in energy transfer and genetic material. Finally, deoxyribose. This is also a pentose sugar, but its formula is C5H10O4. Notice it has one less oxygen than ribose. That's why it's called deoxy. It's the sugar found in DNA, the molecule that stores genetic information. The key difference between alpha and beta glucose is the orientation of the OH group on carbon 1 determines whether the glucose forms energy storage molecules like starch, glycogen, or structural molecules like cellulose. Starch is a storage polysaccharide in plants. It has 2 components, amylose and amylopectin. Amylose consists of unbranched chains of alpha glucose, 1 to 4 bonding, forming a spiral shape held by hydrogen bonds, and it is compact and insoluble, making it ideal for energy storage. Amylopectin is also made of alpha glucose, but includes 1 to 6 branches for quicker energy release and is compact and insoluble, making it ideal for energy storage. Glycogen is the main energy storage molecule in animals. Like amylopectin, it has 1 to 4 and 1 to 6 glycosidic bonds, but is even more branched. This makes glycogen compact and allows enzymes to access glucose quickly, especially in liver and muscle cells. It forms granules and breaks down easily for respiration. Let's look at some key facts about carbohydrates. Glucose is stored because it's soluble. Too much in the cytoplasm would affect the water potential. To break these molecules down, enzymes are needed. Amylase hydrolyses 1 to 4 glycosidic bonds, whereas glucosidase hydrolyses 1 to 6 glycosidic bonds. Now, on to cellulose. Cellulose is a structural polysaccharide found in plant cell walls. Made from beta-glucose, the chains are straight and unbranched. Each alternate glucose is flipped 180 degrees with hydrogen bonds that give strength, and it contains 1 to 4 glycosidic bonds that prevent spiraling. These chains form hydrogen bonds with each other, creating strong fibers called microfibrils and macrofibrils. This gives the cell wall high tensile strength. Cell walls do more than just hold shape. They provide mechanical strength, prevent the cell from bursting when turgid, are permeable to water and minerals. They can also be reinforced with substances like lignin or cutin to make them waterproof. Exam tip: always link structure to function in answers. For example, glycogen is branched. This increases the number of ends for enzymes to release glucose quickly, or cellulose forms hydrogen-bonded microfibrils. This provides tensile strength to plant cell walls. Explaining why these structures matter biologically demonstrates deeper understanding and earns higher marks.